Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates that Hazrat Asma, the daughter of Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, said, "When Hazrat Zubair married me, he had no property, no slave, nothing on the earth save a water camel and a horse for riding. So I would graze his horse, water it, mend the bucket, knead the flour. However, I could not bake the bread well. My neighbor Ansari women would bake our breads, and they were praiseworthy women. I would fetch the date stones bearing on my head from the land of Hazrat Zubair, which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted him, situated at a distance of 2/3 farsakhs league. Once I was coming bearing date stones on my head. I came across Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was accompanied by some helpers. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam called me and uttered ich, an exclamation, to make the camel kneel down in order to let me sit behind him. I felt shame to walk with the people, and on the other hand, I also remember the sense of honor of Hazrat Zubair, for he was a man of greater self-respect. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon discerned that I was feeling shame. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went away. When I reached Zubair, I said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam happened to meet me while I was bearing dead stones on my head, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was accompanied by some companions, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made the camel kneel down. But I felt shame, and I was also aware of your sense of honor. He whereupon said, your bearing and bringing the date stones has laid heavier on me than your mounting along with him. She says, then Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu sent us a servant who took my complete responsibility of keeping the horse, and thus he relieved me of this job. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5224.